Hello guys, dito naman tayo sa labas, no? DIY project tayo, DIY job tayo. Papalit tayo ng starter 2018 Ford Explorer. Okay? So dalawang klase makina nito, isang pang 2.3 liter, ito 2.3 liter turbo, tsaka isang V6. So pag nag-check ako sa internet, usually V6 yung nakikita. Wala pa ako nakita na EcoBoost. So may pinagkaiba yon kasi yung starter ng EcoBoost katulad nito ay 10T ang code. Ibig sabihin 10 ang teeth, yung ngipin. Yung V6 kasi 12T. Okay, so siguraduhin nyo na magmamatch yung yung ipapalit nyo na part. Okay, so and then sa pinapanood ko rin, no, mga V6 na palit starter, tinatanggal nila yung battery tsaka yung case mismo ng battery kasi nasa ilalim yung starter. Pero in this case, andito lang siya. So hopefully madali lang. Yan yung starter. So wala na tayong tatanggalin actually. So ilulusot lang natin. Hopefully madali lang. And looking at the starter, dalawang tornilyo lang humahawak sa kanya. Itong dalawa lang. Tapos tatlo yung connection niya sa wiring. So first things first, i-disconnect ang battery. Okay guys, first bolt is off. So this is what it looks like. I use a size 13. That's a size 13. Oh no. Yeah, this is the 13. Yep. 13 and some sort of adapter to reach it. Second bolt has a wiring on top of it. I think it's a size 10. Let's remove it. Okay, another size 13 on top of the size 13 bolt. Okay, second bolt is gone, but the wirings are still connected. Okay, just pops out. Yep. This is the starter. Okay, now we can disconnect. There you go. Okay guys, this is the old starter. The small nut is 3x32. Put it away. Oh, look at that. Look at that one tooth. So that's why it's making a noise already. It still starts, the car still starts one click, but it's making a noise, grinding noise. So it's probably, yeah, yep. And this is so loose. Huh. So loose. Let's compare the new starter. You cannot move this. Okay, you can move this, but not that much. You need 2 fingers. See, 1 finger now. Yep. Okay, comparing the two starters, they look the same. They are the same. Yep. We just don't know how long this will last, but for $65, we'll try it. Okay, put it back inside. Just squeeze it in. Alright guys, moment of truth. Hold on. Start. Nice. Okay guys, ito nyo, pares pa rin, 1 click pero wala na yung ingay. Sayang hindi ko pinakita yung before, no? Ganyan talaga pag maintain ng lumang sasakyan. Luma na rin naman to 2018. So 8-year-old vehicle. Okay? Papalitan nyo yung pyesa bago siya masira. So I think nasa 130,000 miles na to. Nakaka-impress nga eh. 130,000 miles no, hindi pa sira. Totally. Pwede mo pa igapang yung ano eh, yung starter, kaso guys no, wag niyo intayin na masira ang starter. Bakit? Kasi may stranded kayo niyan. No? So ang sintomas ng starter na nasisira na or malapit ng bumigay, yun nga no, may ingay, grinding noise, or minsan hindi nakukuha ng one click, kailangan start mo ulit. Eto, grinding noise pa lang, no? So pinalitan ko na. Kasi nga delikado, baka ma-stranded kasi bumabiyahe si Mrs. Malayo yung mga biyahe niya. No? So, yan. So bago na starter, bago ang aircon compressor. Yan, ganyan ang pag-maintenance sa sakyan. Palitan mo lang. Pag napalitan mo yan, bago na yan. 'Di ba? Shout out do sa kaibigan natin si JR, yung kotse niya 18 years old. Sabi niya, pag masira yung engine, palitan niya lang ng engine. Hindi ahead pa rin siya, no? Hindi pa rin siya malulubog sa utang. Tama nga naman, basta pinapalitan mo lang. And eto, no, 2018 Ford Explorer, maganda patakbo actually, no? Starter pinalitan natin. I'm surprised na hindi siya mahirap palitan. Kasi usually mga American cars, mahirap eh, tinatago nila ng gusto. Ito nakalabas lang yung yung starter niya. Okay? Pero yung yung V6, I think dito sa ilalim yung tatanggalin niya talaga. So I'm surprised na accessible siya. Wala na ako ibang kailangan tanggalin. So, yan guys. So DIY video sa mga nagme-mekaniko katulad ko. Nakatipid na naman si Jason. Okay, so kung nag-enjoy kayo sa video na to, see you next time. Ayan yung bago nating starter. Ayun, nagtatago. Bye bye.